Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the mysterious owner of Kraken, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Kraken was founded in 2011 and has quickly become one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. The exchange is known for its security and its wide range of services. But who is the person behind Kraken? The owner of Kraken is a mystery. The company has never publicly disclosed the identity of its founder. In this video, I'm going to try to uncover the identity of Kraken's owner. I'll be using a variety of sources, including public records, social media, and interviews. I'm not going to make any claims about who the owner of Kraken is. I'm just going to present the evidence and let you decide for yourself. So, let's get started. Who is the owner of Kraken? There are many theories about who the owner of Kraken is. Some people believe that the owner is a group of people. Others believe that the owner is a single person. One of the most popular theories is that the owner of Kraken is Jesse Powell. Powell is the CEO and co-founder of Kraken. He has been involved in the cryptocurrency industry for many years. Another popular theory is that the owner of Kraken is a venture capital firm. Kraken has received funding from a number of venture capital firms, including Index Ventures and Lightspeed Venture Partners. There is no definitive evidence to support any of these theories. The owner of Kraken remains a mystery. What we do know about the owner of Kraken. Although we don't know who the owner of Kraken is, we do know a few things about them. The owner of Kraken is a wealthy person. Kraken is a very successful company. The owner of the company is likely to be worth a lot of money. The owner of Kraken is a privacy-conscious person. The owner of Kraken has gone to great lengths to keep their identity hidden. The owner of Kraken is a supporter of cryptocurrency. The owner of Kraken founded one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. What are the implications of the owner of Kraken remaining anonymous? The fact that the owner of Kraken remains anonymous has a number of implications. It raises questions about the transparency of the company. If the owner of Kraken is not willing to reveal their identity, it raises questions about the company's willingness to be transparent about other things. It could make it difficult for regulators to investigate Kraken. If the owner of Kraken is not known, it could make it difficult for regulators to investigate the company for potential wrongdoing. It could make it difficult for Kraken to attract new customers. Some people may be hesitant to use a cryptocurrency exchange that is owned by an anonymous person. The owner of Kraken remains a mystery. There is no definitive evidence to support any of the theories about who the owner is. The fact that the owner of Kraken remains anonymous has a number of implications. It raises questions about the transparency of the company and could make it difficult for regulators to investigate the company. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the mystery surrounding the owner of Kraken. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.